Subtracting integers. For example, 5 minus -2. To solve this, first distribute the sign. This sign. To distribute this sign, multiply it to the other sign. So, negative times negative equals positive. Therefore, it becomes 5 plus 2. And now, it's easy to solve. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Just remember, negative times negative equals positive.